How to create Google Form with photo upload. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So start by opening your preferred browser. I choose Google Chrome for using on my Android device. You can use this step on PC as well as your Android phone or iPhone as well. So watch this video till the end to know how you can do that. Go on the top search bar and search for Google Form on the Google Chrome. After you do that, tap on the website where there is written Google Form, create Google Form. And after you do that, you will see, and let's see it from the very beginning, you will see a screen like this. Now what you need to do is tap on the Go to Forms option. After you do that, you will now see an option like this. Now to add some certain questions, you can tap on the plus icon and add it. And if you need to add some files, then you can simply go here and add any files. Choose the file and tap on the option right here. Tap on select all and tap on done. And you will see the questions are seen and visible on your screen right here. Now, what if you want to add emails on a Google Form? It's pretty simple. You can see the option of emails right here. Tap on it. So you can choose the emails you have saved on your Google Images, Google Drive, Pictures, and many other options right here. Even in the browse, you can simply tap on it and drag the file right on the Google Form here. So that's how you upload any photos on the Google Form. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.